Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a highly complex and thought-provoking topic, the ethics of genetic engineering, particularly the advancements brought about by technologies like CRISPR. As science progresses at an unprecedented pace, the ability to modify the genetic makeup of living organisms raises important moral and ethical questions that we need to consider. Let's explore the implications, benefits, and challenges associated with genetic engineering in detail. To start, let's clarify what we mean by genetic engineering. Genetic engineering involves the direct manipulation of an organism's DNA to alter its characteristics. This can encompass a wide range of actions, such as adding, removing, or modifying genetic material. One of the most revolutionary tools in this field is CRISPR-Cas9, a technology that enables scientists to edit genes with remarkable precision and efficiency. CRISPR stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, and it works by utilizing a guide RNA to target specific DNA sequences and a Cas9 enzyme to cut the DNA at the desired location. This technology has immense potential. It could correct genetic disorders, enhance agricultural productivity, and even eradicate certain diseases. However, with such advancements come significant ethical implications. One of the most pressing concerns revolves around the concept of designer babies. The idea that we could select specific traits in unborn children, such as intelligence, physical appearance, or even athletic ability raises profound questions about the ethics of choice and the natural order. Should we have the right to choose our children's genetic traits? While some argue that this technology could help eliminate genetic disorders, the prospect of playing God raises moral dilemmas. Are we overstepping our bounds by altering the fundamental blueprint of life? Proponents of genetic modification assert that it could lead to significant advancements in human health. For instance, gene editing could potentially eliminate hereditary diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, or Huntington's disease. The notion of eradicating such debilitating conditions is undeniably appealing and offers hope to millions of families facing these challenges. However, this leads us to contemplate whether the potential benefits justify the risks and moral complexities involved in manipulating human DNA. The ability to eradicate diseases must be weighed against the possibility of unintended consequences that might arise from such interventions. Another significant concern is the potential for inequality in access to genetic modification technologies. If these technologies become available, who will have access to them? Access may not be equally available to everyone, leading to a new form of genetic classism. Wealthy families could afford to enhance their children's genes, creating a societal divide between those who can and cannot access these technologies. This disparity raises urgent questions about fairness and justice. Should genetic enhancements be treated like other healthcare advancements, or do they represent a new frontier in social inequality? The potential for a genetically enhanced elite raises alarms about the erosion of equality in society. Moreover, there are questions regarding the long-term consequences of genetic engineering. While CRISPR technology offers incredible precision, our understanding of the genome is still developing. The potential for unintended consequences when altering genes can be profound. For instance, changes made to one gene could inadvertently affect others, leading to unforeseen health issues. This is particularly concerning in humans, where the stakes are high and the effects could be irreversible. The ethics of genetic engineering also extend to agriculture. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, have been developed to increase crop yields, resist pests, and tolerate harsh environmental conditions. While these advancements can help address food security, they come with ethical considerations as well. The use of GMOs raises concerns about environmental impacts, biodiversity loss, and the potential for creating superweeds or pests that resist genetic modifications. The challenge lies in balancing the need for increased food production to feed a growing global population with the imperative to maintain ecological integrity. Additionally, the ethical implications of genetic engineering touch upon issues of consent. When it comes to human genetic modification, the subjects of these modifications, especially embryos, cannot give consent. This raises profound ethical questions about autonomy and the rights of individuals who are unable to voice their preferences. As we consider the implications of gene editing, we must ask ourselves, who has the right to make decisions about genetic alterations and on what basis? The The lack of consent complicates our moral framework and highlights the need for ethical considerations in these decisions. In response to these ethical challenges, many scientists and ethicists advocate for the establishment of robust regulatory frameworks to guide genetic engineering practices. These frameworks could ensure that genetic modifications are conducted ethically, transparently, and equitably. For instance, ethical guidelines could prioritize research aimed at addressing critical health issues while ensuring equitable access to treatments. Regulations could also be developed to manage the implications of genetic enhancements and ensure that such technologies are used responsibly and for the greater good. Public engagement is crucial in navigating the ethical landscape of genetic engineering. Open dialogues involving scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public can help establish a shared understanding of the implications of these technologies. As society grapples with these advancements, we must strive to create an informed and inclusive conversation about the future of genetic engineering. It is essential that all stakeholders have a voice in shaping the policies that govern such transformative technologies. As we conclude our exploration of the ethics of genetic engineering, it's clear that advancements in technologies like CRISPR hold immense potential. However, they also bring forth complex moral dilemmas that we must carefully navigate. Balancing innovation with ethical considerations requires a collective effort to establish guidelines that reflect our values and principles as a society. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. What do you think about the ethical implications of genetic engineering? Should we embrace these technologies, or do the potential risks outweigh the benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more discussions on important and controversial topics. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time,